guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show about volcano. First I'm gonna add vinegar. Next, food color. Now I'm gonna mix it. Now I'm gonna add baking soda. This is a nice volcano.
Wow, success.